Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Klarna on Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to Klarna and just make sure that you log into your account. And from your merchant dashboard, just click on integrations. Next is just choose Shopify in the list of e-commerce platforms. Just click on continue. Next is click on install Klarna Shopify application. And from the Shopify admin page, just click on install. Just grant access permissions by clicking on install once again, and back to the Klarna merchant portal, just click on generate and connect credentials. Click to download your API credentials, then just click on continue integration. Next is click on verify integration. So from here, your store should be successfully verified, and all you have to do is click on next. You're also going to need to activate Klarna as your payment method on Shopify. Just click on next. And from here, just click on activate. And just by that, we have now successfully connected Klarna and Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!